construction worker charged with trafficking in persons in Vreed-en-Hoop. Asif Mohamed Abrahim, a 45-year-old construction worker residing in New Road, Vreed-en-Hoop, West Coast Demerara, was arrested on January 18, 2024, and formally charged today with the offense of trafficking in persons. This charge is in violation of Section 3(1)(I) of the Combating of Trafficking in Persons Act No. 2 of 2005. The accused, Abrahim, appeared before Magistrate Faith McGusty via Zoom at the Vreed-en-Hoop Magistrates Court around 12:13 hours this afternoon. During the hearing, the charge was read to him, and he entered a plea of not guilty. Subsequently, he was remanded to prison, with the case adjourned to February 5, 2024, for the submission of statements. The Guyana Police Force remains committed to combating human trafficking, and this arrest is a testament to their ongoing efforts to address and prosecute such offenses.